So what are you working on tonight with it?
We're installing the new rear differential and the back over end and everything. Now I'm hooking up the emergency brakes.
Hooking up the emergency brakes and installing the new rear differential on Hubastank.
That one's working.
Ooh. That one's not as tight.
But it didn't even have it. Somebody took the paper.
Oh, so it had no brakes at all, or no emergency brake? No emergency brake at all. Somebody had cut the emergency brake.
Maybe it'll take too much more.
Oh, there we go. Yes. Oh. Is it a strobe, really?
No.
Oh. Oh, it's just the battery needs to be charged. Yeah, 'cause
I think one emergency brake's better than none.
yeah, some is better than none.
Should be it.
That's it?
Yeah, and then when I put the tires on it, so I put the oil on the rear end cover on it, and I gotta clean it first.
Yep. Next step, clean that. What is it called?
Rear diff cover.
Clean the rear diff cover next step.
Yeah.
And then put the tires on it.